non-stop bad news right now for the Mahagathbandhan because Tejasvi Yadav is now trailing by over 9,000 votes in Raghopur. This is the Lalu family bastion. It's where Lalu Yadav is contested from. It's where Rabdi Devi is contested from. And so for the family to actually be trailing in this kind of a constituency speaks volumes really of what's currently the plight of the Mahagathbandhan and the RJD. It's BJP's Satish Kumar who's currently taken a lead over Tejasvi Yadav by over 9,000 votes. The counting is still underway, 16 rounds done. And you're seeing it's becoming harder and harder for Tejasvi to essentially close in on that gap of 9,000 votes. BJP Satish Kumar has previously pulled off this kind of an upset in Raghopur when he defeated Rabdi Devi in 2001. Can he repeat a 2010 performance now in 2025? Can he repeat that performance this time against Tejasvi Yadav? It's not looking good for Tejasvi Yadav. Everyone's been referring to this as the biggest leadership test for him. He's already failed in leading the Mahagathbandhan to any sort of win, but looks like there could be a possibility that he won't even be able to save face with a Raghopur win now. Amit Bharadwaj is joining us live with more details on this. Amit, this could be hugely embarrassing for Tejasvi Yadav if he loses Raghopur, which was deemed a safe seat for him.
Absolutely right, Akshata. You know, Raghopur was the fortress for the Rashtriya Janata Dal, a seat which has been represented by Lalu Yadav as well as Rabdi Devi in the past, the patriarchs and matriarch of the RJD, the chief ministers of the state in the past, and now that bastion was handed over to Tejasvi Yadav. You know, this was one of the favorite seats of the Yadav family, of the Lalu family. And while Tej Pratap Yadav had to keep on switching between seats, Raghopur, the legacy of the Yadavs actually went to Tejasvi Yadav. But what's unfolding right now in Raghopur is actually a major threat for not only the Mahagathbandhan but also Tejasvi Yadav's leadership within Mahagathbandhan and the RJD, because this will be the first time when anyone within the RJD will be able to also question the leadership of Tejasvi Yadav, even with the fact that Tejasvi Yadav is the de facto head of the Rashtriya Janata Dal. And it's not just 9,000, Akshata, the numbers are looking like nearly 10,000 vote trail for Tejasvi Yadav. There have been instances where you would have the BJP taking a lead on that seat, but this kind of lead is certainly, you know, indicating towards the defeat that was faced by Rabdi Devi in the past at hands of the very Satish Kumar. And even in the run-up of the 2025 polls,